to run this camera down the sewer main to inspect it for problems that they're having. We have a hose in the pipe just running water to see how everything's running down there. Right now it's cast iron pipe, which is very sturdy and will last many years. But up here in a little bit you'll see Orangeburg, which is the problem in this area. We're in East Reno, near Virginia and Wells. And right up here is where it changes to Orangeburg. You can see that connection, and you see a root intrusion here, which is causing backups. There are more in the line to come. You can see how it slows down the water, and the dips are because the pipe on the bottom side of the pipe is actually worn out, and so that needs to be replaced. We're underwater, and now we're coming back out of the water. You can see how the pipe has been ovaled because of the compaction over the top of it, and at some point will collapse and cause no flow. Here's another root intrusion. This one's a little bigger. And this line, we maintain it yearly. It's been about 6 months since it's been run with an auger or a snake. There's another root intrusion. Before we started maintaining this line, it was backing up every couple weeks, and you can see a big belly there in the line where there's no slope, and so the water sits until other water comes through to push it through, and that's where another problem can happen. Here's another large root intrusion. Here it changes to concrete pipe, and the concrete is underneath the alleyway or the street, and then up here we see the city main that our lateral or our sewer main is tying into, and the customer, the owner, is responsible for their sewer main up to the connection to the city main. And so this is all the responsibility of the homeowner to replace, and we are out 76 feet from the clean out, and so that's a long distance. It actually travels underneath the house and will require a large project to replace this. So thanks for watching.